This video is based on our experience at Maiko's Aviary. And this video was also done for information only and not as a manual. Please check with your bird expert if you are going to do this in your own aviary. Please finish the video so you can see what happens to the chick. Welcome, Octo, the African Grey Parrot chick. Third clutch for the year 2023, and we're still hoping for the fourth or even fifth clutch. Hope you like this video for information. Please like and share this video so we can all learn together. Till the next video, happy birding everyone!